This is the installation of a Loup Electronics Weighlog Vue front-end loader scale for a Cat 988H in Livermore, California. This is an industrial grade touchscreen monitor. Our junction box where our internal wires are mounted into is on the ROPS using industrial grade BHB tape. Fuse is located directly below. Wire exits the floor below. Keyed power comes from the back of this auxiliary plug. The wires run through a loom behind this group of wires here, hose, and under the floor and back up to the junction box that I just showed. We'll go down and take a look at the external sensors. Pressure for the lift cylinder is taken from two pressure sensors. Loup Electronics provided adapter fittings that go into these little test ports, one on each side for the pressure of this lift cylinder. Quick disconnect, weather pack disconnect, enters the back of the pressure sensor. The wires are loomed, come up and go into this CAN box. A single wire, 4-conductor wire, leaves the CAN box and goes through the articulation where there's a quick disconnect, weather type quick disconnect, that goes up underneath the cab and into a difficult to see hole that I told you about that we drilled to go up into the cab, to go into the junction box in the cab. And the sensors for the chassis and the lift arm are these two green devices. Chassis sensor and lift arm sensor. Lift arm sensor, they're both in kilometers. The lift arm sensor gets the speed and the height of the lift arm, and the sensor on the chassis gets the slope or the grade that the loader is operating on, so that it can take that into consideration to give it an accurate reading on different grades or different tilts on the ground. So this is the installation of a Loup Electronics Weighlog Vue front-end loader scale on a Cat 988H.